Okay, so I got all the insulation in our bedroom done yesterday. And so today, and I pulled off these two pieces here because I'm installing the wash machine box because, yes, this is our bedroom, but because the house is so small, the washing machine is actually going to be sitting outside on the enclosed porch to give us more space here. So that'll take care of that. And then the dryer will sit right next to it. I almost never use a dryer. Probably I could count it on one hand in the last 15 years that I used a dryer. But we'd like to have one just in case. So we have one. We bought one when they were both on sale, a matching set. But anyway, so what I did is I measured standard for the washing machine outlet box was said 42 to 48 inches. So I put it at right at 42 inches because that's about how high it is at our current house. And so I'm just cutting out the box. Odie box that has the PEX connectors on it. It costs a little bit more, but I just really like the PEX, and so this is the box, and it's gonna actually be installed facing outwards. So I'm finishing cutting out this last piece, and then there we go. And it is always scary cutting a hole in the exterior wall, but again, it's kind of the way it had to be. The box is in, and then the face plate and the straps will go on, and all will be taken care of. One more thing will be down, and then of course, plumbing to it. Well, a little at a time, right? I'm probably I just wanted to get this installed, and then what I'll probably do is start on the flooring today, and I want to get the insulation for the ceiling done because I want to make it so that we can actually start staying in this room, so that even when we come out with Jonathan, now that his bed is in place, it kind of makes it small, so we need another space for Paul and I to sleep, and we can use his house for the necessities, but have our own space to sleep. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the inside. Let's go see what it looks like from the outside. This is how it looks from the outside. Nice and clean. And like I said, it looks high because we're down, but once the deck is on, then it'll actually be 42 inches. So I got the insulation cut out, the box is installed, like I said, and I started to go ahead and run the PEX down so it can connect in underneath the house, because I'm going to run the water lines under the house, and then we'll insulate and close it off. But my drill bit is not long enough to go all the way through here. So you can see it didn't make it through, and it's a long one, but because we bought one to do the wiring, but it doesn't go all the way through. So we'll leave that for now, and change of course, I'm starting to install the flooring. So we'll get that done a little at a time. Okay, so like I said, I got the bedroom floor done. So the insulation is done, the bedroom floor is done, and now I started the ceiling. So as I progress along with the ceiling, and I went ahead and I linseed oiled these ahead of time, and which would have made sense with Jonathan's, but like I said, we live and we learn. But this time I did linseed oil them ahead of time, but I ran out. These are left over from Jonathan's house, so when I get some more, I'll get some more insulation, and we'll finish off the ceiling insulation. And Paul is going to finish the switches on Saturday, and hopefully he'll also finish the outside outlets. And I finished running the line for the water to the wash machine, so that's done, and it's running down out of the house. Oh, let's see if we can see here. Yes, we can. So I'm going to go ahead and caulk that to make sure we don't have anything coming in that we don't want in. I'm having to buy this 12-inch, I think it is, yes, 12-inch 3/4 inch spade. So that got the job done.